This is Flair mechanical pencil, 0.9 mm, click, bold, says the pack. This pencil cost rupees 10, but no free lids added. The design itself looks fantastic with the black and the colors used, coming in 5 different colors. The grip resembles V2 gel from Flair. Nice design, fantastic design. At this price point, rupees 10, it is worthy, but we have to buy the lid separately. The needles inserted, lids, the color of the pencil with the blue and black looks fantastic. 0.9 mm mechanical pencils will be worthy while compared with 0.5 or 0.7 because the lead may break with the 0.5, but this pencil is strong enough to write with this 0.9 mm lead, and even the color, the black shades, is bit high while compared with the 0.5 or 0.7 Flair's pencil. Nice pencil at this price point, but we have to buy the lead separately. Nice design with a grip for a 10 rupees mechanical pencil. Value for money product from Flair. Thanks for watching.